Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a few Gmail tricks that you will find very useful. Before you hear them out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Are you one of those kind who types an email in an angst or in a moment of rush and you hit send only to realize that you didn't want to send that email? Well, Gmail lets you click on undo to recall your message so it appears right back up. However, this option is only limited to 5 seconds, which you can change, of course, by going over to the Settings tab, clicking on See All Settings. In the General section, you will see right here the option for Undo Send. Right here, you can extend the limit to 30 seconds, which I already did because I know I need time for reaction. Make sure you click on Save Changes before you exit, otherwise it will not be saved. It's already saved right here. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it. Another option for you is, for example, if you send out an email, but you want to make sure that it is secure, you can simply go onto this lock button, which you see right here. This is the confidential mode in Gmail. Click right here. And you can set out the expiration date for your email. So it could be 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 3 months, 5 years, or custom if you have to. You can also enable a require passcode, which means that the recipient is going to receive an SMS passcode to read this email. I'm leaving it as it is, but you can always opt in for this one as well. For the duration, I'm saying that this email expires in the next 3 months and I can save it. So the minute I send this email out, I'm going to send it to myself. And hit send. You can see right here that it says this content expires on August 18, 2024. I click on send. Now if I go on my sent options, I see all this. It tells me that this email is going to expire on August 18, 2024. And recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email as well. What I can also do is remove access whenever I have to, so I don't have to wait for the last duration when this content is set to expire. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, subscribe and share this with everyone who you think may find these tips useful.